Gacoka
iroka we tatiga kihuro bicara na machabiki niekuhetio ni machabiki yes vake
niagithiete wega
no wega no yes reure eyusi Yamuyo ndiragwe turugo rwa gwitu muno
for very obvious reasons.
Yes. There is not much interest in the razzmatazz and the hullabaloo about it. Rugo rwa gwitu. Ona rugethiko kwera andu nemuririkane twina giturwa turetia kereko umwe witu agiturwa retha kia Afrika ngima igia ke mabuluri ni agiethe but yes, it is good to know that our very own Tinga Wodia Lego
Raila Odinga.
Yes.
Nekiumia giki.
It is this week.
Is Saturday.
It is
Saturday. Yes.
It should be Saturday.
Yeah.
Yes. Na ndio watu ramara yate no tumenyerete ithurano ya cia gweterera. Giki getire gweterera. That we get on the heads of state, and I'm sure they do that remotely. Or do they meet?
The Syria and the phase the call.
Yes,
I don't think so.
Go Syria and the technology apply. Okay, we more you Kagame, Museveni, Samia. Yes,
Sikedi,
Ramaphosa, Cyril Ramaphosa. Yes,
I thought the president of Nigeria.
Tinubu.
Oh, Tinubu.
Tinubu, what is your vote going to? Senegal. That young man from Senegal. I am forgetting his name. Yes,
that one.
And this other one that always carries a mutuma.
Oh, Burkina Faso.
Yes. Those are the people voting. And of course the candidates. New Duaria. Na mumenye wega ri ihinda ria kuiga kura wega
tiga kwiro maiga kura wega
ma president ni murorio kura yako ni haki yako
na siri yako
ni mugacemuya na marurime
na bicha ya candidate
digwezi ale kule ruri rwa kiama.
Yes,
because the candidates are, of course, are very own. Raila Odinga, Mahmoud Ali Yusuf on Korea Djibouti. And another one with a very long name, Richard Randria Mandrato. Richard Randria Mandrato Korea Madagascar. Yes,
Madagascar.
Na Madagascar ni kwa na president wale DJ.
Ni madhuleta president wale DJ.
Ni kwa madhe tuone pasweri.
Ni kana tagora Jolini.
Tagora Joelina. Au bila kwa.
Makimuhe kura.
Na kiaga ni athigithire ni mama so. No, he's still the president.
Yes, is it? I'm not sure.
Check us for that Mudhoni. Rajolina, I think, is still the president of Madagascar.
No, you die kone athigithaga.
Sorry, udoge gwa. Easy. He is still, yes, thank you, Mudhoni. He is still the president. Ko bado maradho ne DJJ. Akauno. No HE. Yes.
No, ega bora ni amaterefe wega.
Menakari is na giant.
State John DJ mako mari tora ini.
Wega view. O DJ gocha getu atha guku ri. Password dona ni ane inti. Kile kwiro no kwiro atigia kurama.
Na ke giant ende okwambia.
Yes. Na ke Krista ira zahe okwa metitu. Acho kieri. No, mwe witu. But DJ mwe mage ikara wega muno. Yes. Ukigua DJ Giant. As per our earlier DJ Dibul, honorable members.
So AUC is this coming weekend.
Yes, it is coming weekend. Of course, we are behind our very own His Excellency Uria Raila Odinga. Chuma what you lego.
No more than ya gwitanite mahoya bomas.
Yes.
Auga kiama giake kia ODM ni gikuhaririirie delegates.
Yes.
Na andu kuma kona na kona kuria mageri support.
Negua.
Ni undu wa gwithi bomas gukihoera party leader.
Yes.
Na kumwendithiria mawega.
Yes. Well, never mind, that is just his social fabric ya ukimumiria tondu mundu nenda kunyitirirwo. But in the election they have no say. Kiama uti andu kireka atia. Kiama
atire handu kirokira.
Yes. Nima president. They are the ones who will be doing the election. Neto riu gwika ogithurano kiari kia muthi kafu. Yes.
Yes.
It's not a complicated thing.
Asha.
And because you see there are three, so there is no likelihood of a tie. Yes.
Actually, that's an exercise of about an hour.
An hour at most. Na hau hati kwira mundu ati ati aroga mundu hau ja waku ni andu meri. Mundu ni muthoni.
Mundu no leader.
Mundu no amolo.
Gotire takeu.
Hakuna hiyo.
Actually by now, the duo they have made up their mind.
They have made their decision, they just here to put it on paper. Na digosia no soka aukaroro no raikeirie.
Na digosia no kire spoiled to vote.
Is it even done in public? I don't think so. Bogo this no ko spoiled to vote. President umono akoni atindeke to muno ne girau.
Adokia kura. Gigithuka atia.
Ndo girau die gihuikaira wathi hau. Oye kifumba macho. Girau die gikwenya dia.
No, we president yotale pressure.
Gotire.
Twabetie na guku.
Gotire president gete kiuri. Mundu wothe wenda giturwa kiu akoe haririirie. Kwa mugira ke. Icona America, some of the most advanced democracies. Kurio pressure gutuika president ri. Yes. Leo ona e campaign ri ni araba kuria. Leo ako mundi gani? Well, it's not in a very good mood. He has been having a problem. There have been some small demonstrations. The people in Lagos have been giving him a lot of pressure. I think the best time to call him is tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning he goes to church.
The opposition did the Ramurekia.
So the opposition that have been spoiling his head. So you can wait a little, Raila Odinga. Don't call him now. He will be very angry with you. Don't call him. I'll tell you to call you. I'll tell him to call you. Yes. Hi, Comrade Ramaphosa. How is he now? Can I talk to him? Well, the president has a little bit of a tantrum. Throwing a bit of a tantrum, I think Raila Odinga. A good time to have him call is not now. You can actually critically call him in the evening. We will be able to tell him to actually woo for his vote. Comrade Cyril Ramaphosa, when he takes his soup, he becomes a little calm. You can call him at that moment. You can call him a little later. He shall be able to address you. You know, most politicians in South Africa, they like to sound like Nelson Mandela. You can call him a little later. At the moment, he's not properly psychologically prepared. What do I tell him? All right, I shall convey your message accordingly. All right, thank you, Raila. Hello. Mama, kampeni iko namna gani? Kwambia kampeni zilivyompeleka mbio usimpigie sahi. Tunajaribu kusema CCM hoi. Tunaambia leo. Yule Tundu Lissu unajua alisema ukifika Namanga kutoka Nairobi kwenda Namanga kuna viwanda, kuna biashara, kuna mahoteli. Akasema ukifika Namanga ukiingia Tanzania picha ni mama tu. Yule Tundu Lissu mtu mbaya kweli.
Amenyeretie.
Naomba umpigie kesho. Akishamaliza kuswali utampigia. Takuelezea.
Ndoge kora hizo kodiru na Kenomo 7.
Yamuria, speak to Sevu.
Should be me. I'm never moved by emotions. Me, my decisions do not rely on emotions and pressure. I have been around long enough. So you know you have my vote. And don't call again.
Raila.
Call after the elections. You wanted to stay with my vote.
No, give me a muyoko.
Yeah. Somali president. Haye. Sisi tabatea. Wacha tukutane Isili usiku jioni tuongee. Niko free. Tukutane eti amoro ile yao.
BBS.
Tukutane BBS. Rooftop.
Ogole chai.
Siko busy sana. Asante, nashukuru. Unaweza kuwa na namba ya rais wa Chad. Tatafutea. Yo ulisa gagame.
Ule kama wako na pressure ya Goma.
Na unipatia mpaka nambari ya kule ule jamaa anaitwa nani? Equatorial Guinea. Oyo tawatia.
Ule ku.
Mugethi uria wa. Tawatia muthoni.
Ocio ti mundu munene ku.
Etagwo au.
Etagwo no egonga kana etagwo ate.
Egonga.
He is not a very senior person there.
But he rippled very senior people. So tomorrow is basically not tomorrow, on Saturday you say.
This weekend.
Excellency Raila Odinga from Kenya, our candidate. Of course, Excellency Richard Randria Mandrato. Wakuria kwa Jolina Madagascar. Mahmoud Ali Yusuf. Excellency wa kuma kule Djibouti.
Ucio niwe wenyeretie Raila haha kwa haha.
I think Francine wawili.
Raila kiareria rumiriri yake kuria Bomas.
Yes.
Amera riu meharirie kuhota kana kuhotwo.
Though that is the spirit of elections. Yes.
Agithia goguo ri. Ni arathi wega.
Ni wega. Yeni.
Rakenda ina ndagika 44.